Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you people are doing good. Are you always confused of preparing a different tasty, yummy breakfast for children? Of course, me too. Today's video will be of great help to you if you are in search of a different breakfast. Today I'm going to show you a simple, yummy and tasty breakfast for children. I'm going to prepare a simple eggless pancake. So the items needed are 1 cup of maida, this is 200 grams, 1 cup milk, this is 2 teaspoons of baking powder. This is little butter I have taken for mixing the dough. Apart from this, we still need some more butter. And this is 1 tablespoon or 3 teaspoons of sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, very little. Also 1 pinch of salt. And this is honey. We'll be using this for serving. Now let's see how to do it. To start with, we'll first take a bowl and do it. We'll add all the dry ingredients, maida, then salt, soda, baking powder, sugar, butter. We'll first mix all these dry ingredients, and now we'll add milk little by little. Mix it very gently without any lumps. Consistency should be like a dosa batter. See, this is the consistency. So your batter is ready. I have taken a pan here. It with butter. I'm just taking 1 ladle. Try to take a big ladle like this so that you can just pour it. Don't spread it across. Now keep it closed. Now just reduce the flame. Flip it and just keep it closed for 2 more minutes. This is done. Again I'm greasing. Now we'll just top them with honey. Pancakes just topped with honey and butter taste yummy. So our pancakes are ready. Just give them a try and let me know it in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and do subscribe. Till we meet next time in a different video, this is Amrita signing off. Take care. Bye bye.